Karen Reed returned to court today, this time for the civil case filed against her by John O'Keefe's family. Now, she's trying to get the case dismissed. And as WBZ's Louisa Moller reports, Reed is now planning legal action of her own.
How did it feel emotionally to be back in a courtroom today?
Nothing like it did before. The hard part is over.
Karen Reed found herself in a new courtroom Monday as the O'Keefe family tries to hold her civilly liable for the death of their son and brother.
JJ no longer has a voice. His life was wrongfully taken on January 29, 2022.
Not guilty.
In June, a jury found Reed not guilty of murder, denying the state's case that she struck John O'Keefe with her car, leaving the Boston police officer to die in a 2022 snowstorm. She walked out of a Dedham court after her second criminal trial, only convicted of the charge of driving while under the influence. Now she faces a multi-count lawsuit, and other high-profile cases have shown that there's a lower burden of proof in civil court.
It's the often used example of the O.J. Simpson trial, where he was found not guilty, but then was sued in civil court, was found liable.
Karen Reed's team immediately went on offense, saying she would like to sue Massachusetts State Police and others for corruption in their investigation.
Lieutenant Brian Tully in his personal capacity, Sergeant Yuri Buchanan in his personal capacity, Michael Proctor. Then they collectively conspired to ensure that what happened in the house was not explored and investigated, and instead Ms. Reed was wrongfully targeted
and trying to get 4 charges dismissed. The plaintiff's attorney fought back in what could prove to be a lengthy legal battle.
The facts demonstrate that Ms. Reed should have known her extreme and outrageous conduct would be detrimental to these vulnerable plaintiffs.
Karen Reed's attorneys say she also plans to sue the Albert family, the McCabe family, and Brian Higgins. The O'Keefes, who've remained largely private ever since John's death, did not make a comment today. And the judge says he will decide whether to dismiss any counts against Karen Reed before her next hearing, which is in November. In Plymouth, Louisa Moller, WBZ News.